Miss Footfix. So we have this lovely heel here. I'm just showing everybody that I spray loads of disinfectant. And what we're going to do is we're just going to remove the. We are just going to remove the coloration, the dirt from it. So we're going to use a drill. I think it's just so dry that it wants to open. But like I said, once we get rid of the cracks as much as you can, you just need to moisturize. Because you said to me that you kind of moisturize every so often, but you haven't had kind of total commitment to it. Yeah. So I think that's what you need to do.
Tell me what's a good moisturizer that you think is good for this particular thing.
Of course.
Because I've used so many different things, and I just want to do something that works.
Yeah. So what kind of creams have you used for it?
Well, I used, like in the very beginning, I used Flexical.
Yeah.
And then I used whatever they have here, I can't remember the name of it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just started using I bought these things on Amazon, they're silicone heel cups.
Okay.
And so you can put it doesn't really matter what you put on, you can put Vaseline or a lot of lotion, but then you put that silicone heel cup on, and then you put your socks on, and you can just sleep, and it's like a deep cream experience.
Yeah,
you know?
That sounds really good.
Yeah, that's been good. It's just a lot of maintenance. I didn't realize I was going to have to do something at Ulta.
Yeah, it's just any creams that you use. You want to obviously buy specific foot cream because foot cream contains urea. And urea, not the pea urea, but the chemical. Yeah.
I thought it was pee.
Yeah, that's what I thought when I was studying. I was like, why are you putting pee on your foot? But it's not. It's a chemical that can take off some of the layers of the skin, but also strengthens the skin by rehydrating it too. It's got double the benefit, and you just need to apply it. I think initially every single day, and then once it gets better, you can like reduce it to like 3 times a week.
Yeah.
And just slowly kind of reduce it. Obviously, if you feel like your heels are a lot more drier, then you go back up, increase the increment of when you use the lotion. But I like doing, I'm a nail expert, but every so often I do like transforming heels and doing this because it's quite fun to do.
So you do nails also?
Yeah, that's my specialty. And
my husband has like nail fungus.
Yeah.
And I got him that stuff that they advertise on the tube where you paint it on your nails like a nail polish.
Yes.
And it made everything worse.
Oh no!
It made every single one of his toes get it instead of just the one toe that.
So did he apply on all his toes then?
I guess.
And then maybe it spread the infection?
Yeah.
That could.
He had to take some oral medication one time to get rid of it.
Yeah.
It didn't work.
Good.
But now it's coming back again.
So the thing is, he might not have finished completed the course of antifungals, and what happens is it can come back more aggressive and worse. So my recommendation is to go back onto the antifungals because we know that works.
Do you think and prescribe it?
Yeah, definitely. He got it in the States, or?
No, here.
Okay, yeah, should be. So I'm just working on this side now, the cracks. Like I said, it's not that bad. And you just have to be quite slow and steady. Just be really careful when you treat these cracks because they're not bad. You have to be really, really gentle and not go crazy like what you've seen in some of the other YouTube and channels. So have you always been a yoga teacher then?
I've been teaching yoga for, I think, 20 years at least.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So you were doing this in New York then?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. It's a good... How was the pandemic?
Yeah, it was okay. I mean, it was good, like, having my kids at home, but also hard having to do all their schoolwork and stuff.
Yeah.
But it was kind of nice, just not having to do anything much.
I know, to have kind of like real time off.
Yeah, and then we had so much family time. It was pretty cool.
And your husband, did he have time off too? And
Yeah, I mean, we both worked a bit during the pandemic, during lockdown, but we just worked from home, so it was like we were always home.
long does it take for somebody to become quite flexible actually?
Well, I think it took me about like to touch my toes from not being able to touch my toes to being able to touch my toes. I think it was probably 3 to 6 months.
Oh really? That's really good.
Yeah, but it was a lot of practice. You know, it didn't seem a lot to me, but it was like, you know, 4 or 5 times a week or 3 to 5 times a week, that kind of thing.
Oh wow.
So it's, you know, a lot of practice.
And just going at it, like just trying to reach it.
Yeah, just having a goal and, you practice yoga in a room where other people are there. You look around, you see what other people can do, and you think, why can't I do that?
Yeah.
So then you know that also you think, wow, maybe I can do that. So you know that it's possible.
Well, that's what intimidates me, to be honest. Like when I go into yoga, everybody's like, I don't even know what they're doing. Like legs on their shoulder. I don't even know what it is going on.
Yeah, it's hard. I mean, like, that's one of the hardest things for new students because the nature of the mind is that you just start, feeling embarrassed and judging yourself and, it's very hard to be relaxed and easygoing in a totally new environment.
That is so true. That is like any environment. It's not just yoga, anything, right?
Yeah.
And you have to walk in. You have to take in the first step to walk in.
Yes. But I don't like I don't like it to be like that. I don't like people to feel, like if you're going to a record store and like a cool music store and it feels like, whoa.
Yeah.
Maybe that's like an old reference, but it used to be like you'd walk into some places that were just too cool.
Yeah.
And I hope yoga's never like that. It really shouldn't be. But the mind, the nature of the mind is to feel that way.
Yeah.
So it's not just inherent to yoga, it's true. It's